Welcome to the Veeam Cookbook series. In this video, we will show you the steps to install Veeam Backup and Replication as an all-in-one service. So first, make sure you have all the ingredients described in the recipe before proceeding. Let's begin. Right-click in the ISO image and select Mount. Explore the mounted image. Find and run the setup application in the root of the drive. In the main pop-up window, select the Install option in the Large section. Click on OK. Read the license agreement and click both Terms and Conditions boxes to enable Next button. Click on Next. Click Browse to find your license. Select the license and click on Next. Accept the defaults on the program feature page unless you have a good reason to change anything. Press Next. On System Configuration Check page, press Install and wait for completion. A reboot may be required after this, depending on your operating system. If this is the case, reboot and go back to step 1. Click Next when available. On Configuration page, read and if all is OK, press Install. After a wait for the installation to complete, Veeam is now ready for use and the Veeam icons are on your desktop. Click on Finish. And now you can connect to your Veeam installation. Thank you for watching this demonstration and make sure you check out for more videos of the Cookbook series.